Hi everybody, this is Robbie here from the Webshack again. This tutorial, I'm just going to quickly finish off the theme settings. It's been quite a few courses. I, I hope that you guys have learned a lot, and if you can't go through it all, just go. If you get lost or get stuck, because I mean, all of our description, all of our under theme settings, all over the website has these, like under each section, you can actually read what it's about. So try it yourself. Come to the to our videos if you get lost, and you can just swift through the videos that you get stuck with. Okay, so in this last video, I'm just going to quickly go through performance. I'm leaving out other, it's more advanced. You can take a look at it. Maintenance and import and export. So those three, and this under performance. This is basically saying it's more advanced. So I advise, like, you really kind of know what you're doing with this, but it's basically saying it's basically speeds up your website. Okay, so minify my CSS, JS files, combine my JS files. Like, I mean, you can switch these all on. Disable Google Fonts or not. Okay, so I mean, you under typography, you use lots of Google Fonts. So I mean, it does make your website a lot faster if you switch it off. But you play around with those. Okay, sometimes it says they're not recommended, so just don't do it then. Okay, disable Gutenberg styles. So we don't use that builder, so you can always disable that. Lazy loading. So basically, your website just loads the images slowly, so it doesn't use up so much bandwidth. So like I said, this whole section is trying to speed up your website, it's trying to speed up your online store. Okay, so you can switch that on or off. So in this case, I want to switch it on. Okay, so don't worry about that. Appearance effect, like when it lazy loads, how do you want it to appear slowly coming up as a fade or a blur or something like that? Okay. Okay, so the rest of these you can kind of just look through, add custom placeholders and so on. So all this it's a bit advanced, but it's all for speed performance purposes. Okay. We're not really going to go through. You can take a look at that yourself. It's too advanced. Maintenance. Okay, so basically, maintenance is quite nice if you kind of working on your online store and you don't want anyone to see it, switch on maintenance mode. Okay, so just basically just makes the website into a maintenance mode page. Okay, okay, so that's basically the maintenance page. I just want to see here quickly. Oh, I see. Okay, so this is whether you want it on or off, but then you have to set it up here. So pages. Okay, so you have to actually create a page and choose the template maintenance. I'll in another tutorial actually have that. I'll show you how that's done under pages. But this is nice. Once that's set up from the other tutorial, this is you just whether do I want it on or off. That's all. That's all it's asking. So then you can actually work on your website without anyone seeing you like fiddle with stuff. Okay. And then obviously when you finish fiddling and you're finished with all your products and fixing it up, switch it off, save, and then everyone can see your website again. Okay, then this is quite nice. Import and export. Okay, so now let's say you've done a whole lot of changes and all that kind of stuff, and now you come back in here and you want to like update a whole lot of stuff, or let's say you were just playing around and you want to just fiddle with it, and now you've broken everything. Before you start fiddling with it, export the options. Just click export. Okay, so what that does is it saves everything that you've done in all of these tabs, so you have a backup of it. Okay, and now you go in and you fiddle around and you change images, and now your website looks ugly like this one. It doesn't look too good. See, I can't see my logo or something, and now I'm like, oh, I really have to go back. What you do is you open this file. Okay, the file that you kept. Okay, and then what you do is you just keep that file somewhere, so you know you have a backup of your theme settings. A right click on it and then open it in like a notepad. Okay, so I've got Notepad++. Okay, then what you do is don't have to worry about anything. You just take it all, copy it. Okay, take all that code, go in here, paste it in. So it looks all gibberish, but it's fine. It's your thing. And then click import. And then everything that you did before you broke it is all back. Okay, so it's very nice to have that tool as well. Okay, and that's it. I think we're good. Thanks very much for watching and going through all the theme settings. It was a great time. I hope you guys have learned a lot. And like I keep saying, you can give me a call, or we can have a one-on-one at a fee if you want some one-on-one training. But I'm pretty sure you'll figure this out by just going through my tutorials. Thanks very much for watching.